This is what the front yard is looking like. Jeez, so pretty. It's a sea of white.
Whoop, 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 whoop. That's the big adult that play like kids.
You guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Guess what? It is snowing. It's snowing, you guys. Can you see that? It haven't snowed in Nice in years upon years upon years. I'm gonna have to ask babe the exact statistic, but it's snowing right now. So cool. Guys, it's snowing so hard. Whoa! Tyler, look! Tyler, you wanna go touch it? You wanna go outside and touch it? Come, put on your jacket. Come, put on jacket. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. We wake up to snow, and it's the first is snowing in this part of the city, so we're really excited. So Talana is running outside in the snow. You ready to go in the snow? I'm like a big kid, so we go in the snow. In the snow. We're going in the snow. Let's go run in the snow. Look there. Whoa, go, run. Whoa. Go. Whoa. We're running in the snow. We're running in the snow. Go. Yeah? Hey! We're in the snow! The oh my god. Come. No. Jump. Il joue pas mal avec pas mal de jouets en fait. No, put it in my pocket. No, it just bounces off and I blow it. Look at that. Wow. We came back and my father-in-law is here. And of course, Tala got gift. Wow! Tala, what is that?
On va trouver là. Là, on enlève, ça tu sais. Enlève, voilà. Et le bouton, appuie sur le bouton. Là.
Wow! Whoa!
Là, tu mets 5 minutes,
Après t'enlèves les piles parce que c'est...
Wow, look outside, y'all. It's snowing so much. Look outside. Crazy. You guys. You guys, as I ran inside, my father-in-law showed up and we're actually leaving out for lunch. So I have to dash and put some clothes on and get Tyler ready and dash out the house. It's a good thing I had showered already. So no makeup, no nothing. Just my eyebrows done and we're on our way. It's so white and beautiful outside. With the snow. Oh my gosh. Can't believe it's snowing. So pretty. And if we didn't have guest talent, I would stay in it all day play. But yeah, it's snowing in Nice and it's awesome. Lunch is ready for the crew. That's me, that's me. And Tyler. No, Tyler, don't do that. No, that's Tyler. Pizza! Excusez-moi, du sexe, s'il vous plaît. You guys just got back off the road and this is what outside is looking like. It just is up snowing. That's so beautiful. And this is what the front yard is looking like. Jeez, so pretty. It's a sea of white. So pretty. So cool.
Tyler, tu aimes la neige?
Là. Voilà.
This is a... Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Oh, ça va chaussure.
And Tyler enjoying it. Tyler say encore, encore, encore.
Attention, celle-là, là.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Hop, hop, hop. Whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. That's the big adult that play like kids. This one is mean. And Tyler is enjoying. Tyler is running everywhere. Don't want to wear gloves. He said no and take it out. This boy. Hopefully tomorrow there's some snow so he can play outside. Look at this kid. Whoops. So we went out for a little walk, digestive walk, I'm gonna say. And here, some snow there. It's still snowing a little bit, very, very little. But tomorrow they say it's gonna be even colder. They say that is some things called Moscow Paris. This is a cold weather coming from Moscow, Russia, that's going to Eastern Europe. So it's crossing the entire Europe. It's gonna stay like this for like 2-3 days, and some part in France, like Paris, I think is -10 with a little wind. I say it feels like -25. So we're not too bad here with our 0 degree. Yeah, maybe tomorrow will be negative, like -1, -2, I don't know. But yeah, we're having fun. It's been a long time. Whoops, whoop whoop whoop. Have to avoid the whoop whoop whoop. Have to avoid the snow. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave you before to get eat, and I catch you guys when I reach home.
Say night night, babes. Take gish out the mouth. Take gish out the mouth. Say night night, babes. See you tomorrow. You guys, today has been a crazy day, but a good day. Snow fell, which haven't fallen in forever, so that was awesome. Got to spend time with the father-in-law, and we ate up all that food, so no dinner. I didn't cook because nobody's hungry. We're not gonna eat because we're that full from lunch, right, babe?
Oh yeah. I might get a little things, a little snacky things, but no big thing.
Everybody's full. But we had a good day out, no?
Oh yeah, yeah.
And
I like this moment when it's family times and you spend like 2-3 hours at the dinner and talking and seeing person.
French
yeah, like
people alone do that.
I like this moment. Yeah, French people do that. I remember in.
But that's awesome time.
Yeah, I like it.
Anyway, you guys, it's another night of family here. It's the last night the family is here. They leave tomorrow.
Tomorrow they leave, they go back to Paris.
Yeah.
So the life will come back to the normal.
Yeah, and we'll be able to be back to the normal-ish. Okay. The Jamaican expression is going to be for today. Lidong. I say lidong. I say the word lidong because Tyler a lidong simply means he's laying down.
Okay.
He's about to sleep. Lidong.
Okay.
Say lidong.
Lidong.
Yes.
Okay.
I mean you're laying down.
Lidong.
Yes.
Okay.
What's the French expression for today?
Se coucher. Se coucher is laying down. So Tyler, se couche is go down. Se coucher is so going down. So se coucher is 2 words.
Tyler, proceed his music.
So
Tyler,
say the French word to the French translation.
Se coucher.
Right. Tyler se couche maintenant.
Yes.
It's like se coucher mean to lay down, like you're laying down, but mainly it's like the when you going to bed, when you're going to lay down to bed. So it's like go to your bed and sleep. Va te coucher.
You Tyler, say lidong. Lidong. Say lidong. Say lidong. Say lidong. He's so funny. Say se coucher. Lidong. Widong.
It's Jamaican tonight, you know. No French.
What? Widong. Anyway, you guys. Oh, your foot stuck.
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, we are heading. Oh, Mama, kiss your foot. I'ma have to kiss his foot because he gets stuck in the bed. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna end today's vlog and tell you guys thanks for watching. Subscribe if you are new. Tyler, turn off the music. Comment down below. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys and we'll see you guys tomorrow. This boy. Say bye, faves. Say bye. Tomorrow. Subscribe.